This is episode 2 of the budget Sequoia build. Today I'm going to be something that's not only free, but also makes the car look infinitely better. I'm going to be taking off these running boards right here. Super easy, super simple, and it's free, so why wouldn't you do it? Already got this side off. It's literally like 8 bolts maybe, or a couple bolts and a couple nuts. So yeah, I'm going to be doing that on this side really quick. So there will be a stud and then a bolt hole right here, and this is 1, 2, 3, and then 4 is down there. But yeah, so I'll show you guys on the other side real quick. That is what it is. Wow, that is what it will look like. So you got a nut on top and a bolt on the bottom. So 13 mil is the nut. Let's try to crack this loose. So hard to do while recording. This would be so much easier with an impact. All right, I'm gonna put y'all down and do the rest of these real quick. So I'm still wrenching away at this, but I also just wanted to admire that there is barely any rust on this frame, like whatsoever, which is pretty insane considering I got this thing for $2,500. Like, there is no rust on this frame. But anyways, I'm gonna get back to wrenching, so I'll see y'all in a little bit. You know that feeling like when everything's going way too well, like you get this out super quick and you're like, oh my god, the job's almost done, but like it just feels wrong because it's so easy. Yeah, fun fact, it's never that easy. And no, I shouldn't have been using what I'm using, but it was easy because it was all in this little toolkit I had. So now I have to figure out a way to get that off, and yeah, grab another fucking socket. So I'll be right back. All right, well, I now have the right sized socket. So REP this adapter, but I now have the right size socket, and I should be able to get this shit off pretty easily. Oh my god, I might break it. Oh, I thought I broke something. Am I gonna strip this bolt out? No way. Well, after bragging about this car not being rusty, this bolt has decided to be so rusted on that it just won't come off, and I think I've stripped it out almost entirely, which is fantastic. So I'm gonna go try to grab one of my it's like a stripped bolt grabber. So over here, this poor fucking thing. I don't even know if this shit still works. Yeah, seems to work. It's cool. All right. Oh, finally, it's off. Holy shit, I fucked that up. But hey, it's off. And with all the bolts out, you can just pull the running board out, and then you can just step back and you can enjoy how good this car looks. I need to tuck up the harness and clean up out from underneath, of course, but oh my gosh, that was a lot more difficult than I said it was gonna be. But yeah, other than that, I think I'm gonna head out of here. It's 5 p.m. and the mosquitoes are already eating me alive, so I'll see y'all in the next video.